LABICON. What is LABICON? We are specialized in instrument connectivity solutions. For instrument connectivity, we have developed a unique solution that is LABICON, that can connect multiple instruments to a single software, which help our customers to comply critical compliance of 21 CFR Part 11, GMP and GLP Guidelines. LABICON gives you a digital way to store all of your records, directly on the connected client PC or server, or on the extremely secured Vinfro's cloud server, so the data manipulation is impossible. Features: comprehensive user management, audit trail for each and every activity, electronic signature, calibration validity check before analysis, equipped with calibration schedule to certificate, multiple analysis on single AR number or reference number, auto instrument usage log, reprint control for report, auto backup with restoration facility, data integrity and security. What we can connect. Through LABICON software, we can connect hundreds of instruments like balance, microscope, pH meter, surface area analyzer, Carl Fisher, melting point, etc. Connectivity process. The connectivity process starts from collecting information of the instrument. After collecting this information, we do the technical analysis to verify the available ports on the instruments. Based on this analysis, we provide the versions and the result type, and based on the collected information, the final software solution is provided. Connectivity diagram. We connect the instruments to the LABICON software through the USB, micro USB, LAN or serial port, whichever are available on the instruments. LABICON is compatible with PC, laptop, and tablet, which can be further connected to the server for storing the data. Audits passed. LABICON has helped various customers to pass audits like FDA, MHRA, US FDA, UNICEF, WHO, TGA, and many more. For any further information or inquiry, please visit our website www.vinfro.com. Thank you.